Save a document or a file in Google Drive. Well, documents and files are actually saved automatically, and you can always double check that your documents are being saved by looking at this gray text here just to the right of the help bar. So you can see it says all changes are saved in Drive, and if you start typing, you can see that it jumps to saving, and then it says again, all changes saved in Drive. So again, automatic, you don't have to do anything, no clicking save, it'll just keep updating. Now, if you want to save a separate version, so maybe you're editing, you want to have your own version so somebody can see and compare edits between the two, what you can do is actually go underneath the share, click on editing, and go to suggested editing. So now when I make edits to somebody's document, whether it's removing a word, adding a word, or adding an entire sentence, what I do, everything is shown in green, and the user who comes by later can either reject the suggestion or accept the suggestion. Even better, Google will send that user, if you tag them, or if it's not your own document, Google will send that user an email letting them know that suggested edits have been made within their document.